back to my Pickering Value Village, and we have a transistorized solid state radio. Yeah, they used to actually put solid state on the outside of radios in the 70s. This thing is like got a really nice leather case on it. Must be 70s, mid to late 70s. It's got AC DC switch on the side, click it to AC or DC, and a ear jack. But this is what we do on here. We plug it in AC, make sure it's on AC and not DC, make sure the volume's down. I've learned my lesson on that one. So let's switch it on. Ooh, crackly. What do you think it's worth, guys? I say, I did actually have a look. I couldn't find this exact one. We're looking at, I would say, $30, and it's probably $18 with the tax on it. It's not great at picking up stations, though, is it? Doesn't really hone in on them. Yeah, that's a crappy tuner. For a radio, it's not radioing that well, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah, AM's. Let's try AM. No, AM's pretty much useless. Back to FM. What we'll do, we'll have a look in the back of it, guys, because the back clip's off. I'll try and see if I can get right into the back of this, because there's not much sound coming out of it. It does click on and off. There is an on-off switch there. So let's yeah, I like the way these radios just come apart really easily. Nowadays radios are just fully plastic enclosed. So you've got your schematics there, show you what goes where, and I have no idea what it means, but I'm sure somebody out there will know. There's some writing here, made for Canada. The the battery compartment looks well used, rusted. There's a little plastic cover there that's held in with a screw. There's only one screw left. Some sort of date code on that side. You can see the tuner to the left there. I can't get that off, but I will show you underneath it. I'll zoom in a minute. Antenna looks, the antenna's pretty good. Here we go, let's have a look in there. See what them capacitor things are like. And whatever they are, diode monitors. Yeah, everything looks very radio-y in there. Maybe I'll learn what some of them things are one day. But yeah, it looks very radio-y. So as long as it looks radio-y, then we're good. There's some more numbers down here. Looks like a bit of a leakage. That's the switch for the AM FM. That's the, well, yeah, you can see the rusty leakage on there. Anyway, let's put it together. I don't think we'll be buying this. It's not anything that I want for my collection, but I just thought you guys might enjoy having a quick look at it and look in the back of it, especially the electronic minded people out there. Solid state, York, yes.